Did you know that a single drop could spell disaster for your brand new iPhone 16? But don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to AllCasesHere, where we bring you the best iPhone 16 cases of 2025 to keep your phone stylish, safe, and functional. Today, we're ranking the top 5 iPhone 16 cases to help you decide which one is your perfect match. Stay tuned, because we're naming the ultimate winner at the end, and don't forget, links to all these cases are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 5, ESR Shockproof Military-Grade Case. Can your phone survive a 10-foot drop? With the ESR Shockproof Military-Grade case, the answer is yes. This case combines sleek design with military-grade drop protection. Its air-guard corners absorb shocks, while the raised edges and camera guard frame ensure scratch-free lenses and screens. The crystal-clear acrylic back shows off your phone's design while resisting scratches and yellowing. And for MagSafe fans, the 1500G magnetic lock guarantees seamless wireless charging. A downside? It's slightly bulkier than minimalist cases, but if you're looking for a balance of style and safety, this is a great pick. What do you think? Does this case make your list? Check it out via the link below. Number 4, Dexnor Adjustable Kickstand Case. Want a case that does more than just protect? Meet the Dexnor Adjustable Kickstand Case, the ultimate multitasker. Its adjustable aluminum kickstand securely holds your phone in portrait or landscape mode, perfect for binge-watching or hands-free calls. The military-grade TPU bumpers and tough PC buck make it ready for any adventure. Plus, the MagTech sliding camera cover protects your lens while maintaining quick access for perfect shots. MagSafe users will love the 1400G magnetic hold, keeping your phone locked to chargers or mounts. With dual-frame options for screen protection, this case is a standout for functionality. If you're an adventurer or multitasker, this case might just be your match. Check the link below to grab yours. Number 3, BXYJY Military Drop Protection Case. Think your iPhone 16 is safe? Think again. The BXYJY Military Drop Protection Case takes security to the next level, with shock-absorbing airbags and durable materials that withstand serious drops. The innovative sliding camera cover offers privacy and keeps your lenses scratch-free, while the RFID-protected card holder stores up to 5 cards or cash, making bulky wallets a thing of the past. The only drawback? It's not compatible with wireless charging. But for those who prioritize ultimate drop protection and a wallet-free lifestyle, this case is a strong contender. What do you think? Does this case tick all your boxes? Let us know in the comments. Number 2, Smartish Microfiber Lining Case. Ever heard of a phone case surviving 50 drop tests? The Smartish Microfiber Lining Case did just that, keeping iPhones safe from 6-foot falls. The textured sides provide a secure grip without sticking, while its sleek, pocket-friendly back ensures easy handling. Ergonomic grooves make it feel like it was custom-made for your hand. And for MagSafe lovers, the strong built-in magnets lock in place perfectly for wireless charging. Add in protective air pocket corners, and you've got an ultra-durable, stylish choice. Minimalists may find the design too simple, but if you value comfort and protection, this case is a no-brainer. Ready to make the switch? Check the description for the link. Number 1. Poetic Revolution Case. Would you trust your phone to survive a 20-foot drop? With the Poetic Revolution Case, you can. This rugged powerhouse is the ultimate protector for your iPhone 16. The military-grade drop protection handles shocks, scratches, and impacts with ease. The slide camera cover shields your lens while adding a privacy boost. And it's not just tough, it's practical too. The built-in kickstand is perfect for hands-free calls or movie nights. Plus, the screen protector keeps your display safe without compromising responsiveness. While it's bulkier than most cases, its features make it worth the trade-off. So, is the Poetic Revolution case your next phone defender? Let us know in the comments, and check the link below to grab one. After testing all these amazing options, the Poetic Revolution case takes the crown. With its unbeatable drop protection, practical features, and all-around toughness, it's the best choice for keeping your iPhone 16 safe and functional in 2025. But what do you think? Which case would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.